Again with another lecture that is about transcortical mixed aphasia and overview. Well, transcortical mixed aphasia is also a type of aphasia that falls into the category of nonfluent type. And in this aphasia, the lesion is in the extrasylvian area. Again, I would like to mention here is that if you don't know what this area is, it is recommended that you should go to the lecture of brain and lesion. There we have explained extensively what this extrasylvian area is. So, the vascular damage is by middle cerebral artery or anterior cerebral artery, and their branches that meet at the watershed areas. It is also deemed as isolation aphasia. It is isolated from the language centers of the brain. What happens is that this over here is the Broca's aphasia, and the lesion is around the Broca's aphasia, and over here is the Wernicke's aphasia, and the lesion is around the Wernicke aphasia. So it's not in the language centers itself, but the lesion is in the area that connects to the language centers. So that is why it is also known as isolation aphasia. Lesion area is the damage to the watershed region where there is reduced blood flow. So what are the symptoms that are present in this type of aphasia? Well, it is a non-fluent type of aphasia, and also the person has increased articulatory efforts and phonemic paraphasia. That means that if the person wants to say cap, they may say tap. The naming is very poor. However, the repetition, it's very good and predominantly echolalic due to the language zones being intact. So this means that if you give this person a phrase or a sentence to repeat, they can do it with a very, I would say, if you compare the verbal output with the repetition skills, their repetition skills are far much better as compared to the verbal output. The severity lies somewhere between the global and Broca's aphasia and can recover from global aphasia as a result of spontaneous recovery and speech therapy. So it is similar to global aphasia but with intact repetition skill. Preservations are however common, and this is due to the frontal lobe also being compromised. Preservation is a type of a symptom in which the person keeps on saying a response without if the stimuli is not present there. For example, I showed person the card of a car, and then I removed the visual stimuli, and then I gave him another object to name, and he just kept on saying car for like 5 or 10 trials. So this is preservation. Poor comprehension. They have poor understanding and comprehension of speech. They won't be able to carry out one-step command or two-step command. So basically, transcortical mixed aphasia is similar to global aphasia, but the difference is in severity as well as the repetition ability. As you can see here, the red bordered area of the brain is also known as the extrasylvian zone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any question, kindly add them below in the comment section. Thank you.